Hi, my name's Josh.
Hello, my name is Sophie. Hi, I'm Emma.
Hi, I'm Jimmy.
I think that I'm going to surprise myself and do extremely well in this challenge.
I think some people may think they're great at this, but they haven't seen me yet, so.
I'm very creative. I did art at A level.
I'm great at pancake decoration.
I believe in myself.
Okay. Are you going to see it once?
That's it.
Okay. Oh, but wait, how do I melt the chocolate? Oh, okay. This isn't the easiest bit. Do I have to melt the chocolate? Oh. Just like the s'mores we make at camp. Beautiful. Oh. Yep. Perfect scoop on it. Good stuff. Well, at the moment, it's all about brute strength. It's basically sticking to this pattern as well, because I'm getting a bit carried away with the whipped cream there, but it's all about the chocolate, then the marshmallows, and then, but it's got to be presentable. So, and I'm also mixing up with different types of Hershey's chocolate too. 15 seconds, right, okay, well. 15 seconds, right, okay, so. I think, considering the circumstance, however you want to say it, I think it looks pretty good. This is a fork and knife situation. If I had more time to perhaps melt the chocolate, it'd be good, but right now, yeah, that's pretty foul. But with more work, you know, maybe an extra minute or so. Do I have to finish this one? Okay. Yeah, with an extra minute or so, I think that would have been great. But yeah, I'm happy.
What? 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 Wait. Wait. Ah! It looked a bit like a burger. Get to eat this after. I do remember just red and green, like a bit of I don't know, they just looked a bit squashed inside. Oh, that's what scissors are there for. I don't remember those grains. Oh! Oh no! Oh, I'm not gonna do it! I don't think this is fair. I've got to vote the worst in my art class because I'm left-handed, everything's harder. Oh, yeah, I think I've done really well. Is this edible? Are you sure it's edible? I don't know if that is edible. It's not Slim and Well friendly, but it does taste good. My skills, a 4.5, but a 10 for effort. Where's my plate? Do I just use this plate? Oh yeah, cream cheese, all about that. I'm thinking Mary Berry. I'm thinking bougie. I'm thinking creative. Got to have a bit of cream in there, ain't you? This could go bad. Oh. Ah, there we go. Minimal, classy is what I'm going for. Do you know what, guys? I actually think this is quite good. I don't want no overspill. Oh, yeah. Look at them flowers. Ooh. Oh, I don't know if I want to do more cream. Actually, no, I'm gonna. I'm trying to do little, like, white Hershey kisses, but I think I've ruined it. How long? Stop. Ta-da! I'm very proud. 7.8. Very precise, you know, because she's bougie. But I'm very happy. Look! I hate it already. I hate it. actually try it. Can I fake try it? Mmm. I hate it. I really hate cream. You have to swallow it.
Oh, come on. Let's be a bit closer, eh? Easy.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, what?
2 minutes, starting now.
Right. I'm thinking architectural structure is key. Right. Good start. No, this is literally, oh, I don't know how this is going to go. There we go. Tell you what, I've got an idea now. This reminds me of playing with Play-Doh, which I was also very good at. Oh, come on. I don't need it to be floppy right now. I think this is going a lot better than anyone could have planned. Oh, more than enough time. Oh, this is like the worst Crystal Maze game ever. Some grass in there.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well, for the picture that I saw for literally 5 seconds, I thought I've done pretty well. You know, what I really needed was architectural structure. So I needed like toothpicks and, you know, reinforcement, stuff that wouldn't droop quite so much. So with the tools that I had, I feel like I did quite well. Good. Do we have to go into our finish? Okay. Right. I hope you've got a lot of time, YouTube. It tastes so much better having made it myself. I'll add subtitles to that one. I can't imagine how anything would be better than what I've just created, so. It's a shame to eat it, really.